Welcome to another practice lesson of the Beginner's Grammar course. In this lesson, you will practice gerunds, which you learned in the previous lesson. If you have yet to see the previous video, you can find the link in the description. If you benefit from this practice session, please press the like button. Let me know in the comment section how many questions you answered correctly and consider subscribing to the channel for more. Question: what is a gerund? A. A type of verb. B. A type of noun. C. A type of adjective. Correct answer is B. A type of noun. Question 2. Which of the following words is a gerund? A running bee. Run, C, runner.
And correct answer is A, running. Question 3. Identify the gerund in the following sentence.
She enjoys swimming at the beach. A. Enjoys. B. Swimming. C. Beach. Correct answer is B. Swimming.
Question 4. In which sentence is the gerund functioning as the subject?
A. Playing basketball is his favorite hobby. B. He's good at playing basketball. C. She avoids playing basketball after dark. Correct answer is A. Playing basketball is his favorite hobby.
Question 5. Choose the sentence with the gerund functioning as the object of a preposition.
A. He apologized for being late. B. Running helps improve cardiovascular health. C. They discuss the importance of eating healthy food. Correct answer is C. They discuss the importance of eating healthy food. Question 6. Which sentence contains a gerund phrase? A. I enjoy reading. B. She started running. C. They enjoy spending time together. Correct answer is C. They enjoy spending time together.
Question 7. Identify the gerund phrase in the following sentence.
Swimming in the pool on a hot day is refreshing. A. In the pool. B. Swimming. C. On a hot day.
Correct answer is B, swimming. Question 8. What role does a gerund phrase play in a sentence?
A. Subject. B. Object. C. Both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. Here is a list of answers. Share your score in the comment section. Answers: B. A type of noun. A. Running. B. Swimming. A. Playing basketball is his favorite hobby. C. They discuss the importance of eating healthy food. C. They enjoy spending time together. B. Swimming. C. Both A and B. Thank you for watching. See you again with a new lesson. Bye until then.